Perhaps one of the most important figures in the scientific revolution was Sir Isaac Newton, who is best known for his descriptions of gravity. It is a common misconception that Sir Isaac Newton somehow discovered gravity. He instead simply created a law that describes this force. This law, which is known as Newton's law of universal gravitation, explains everything from why apples fall on your head to why planets orbit around suns. Sir Isaac Newton's law states that every mass exerts an attractive force on every other mass. Thus, every mass is slightly attracted to each other, no matter what the size. The smaller the mass, the less force it exerts while the mass gets bigger, and as the mass gets bigger, the more force it exerts to other masses. This can be depicted as a game of tug-of-war between objects of different masses. It is generally possible to determine which team will win a game of tug-of-war if we have two masses and a certain distance between them. We can accurately find the magnitude of the force, which can be displayed in this equation. This also allows us to figure out the gravitational force between any two masses. It also explains why certain masses attract each other, and explains the orbits of different planets. While very small masses seem not to be attracted at all, if we look at these objects for a very long time, we can see them very slowly attract together. Gravitational force is minimum at best, but it still exists between the two objects. However, the force required to overcome this gravitational pull is so small that these two masses can very easily separate from each other. Now that we've neared the end of this video, you may be thinking, hey, shouldn't there be three laws? So it is easy to understand why these two laws can be confused. Newton's laws of motion, inertia, and the like are different from Newton's laws of gravity. Gravity has led to many scientific discoveries since it was explained, such as gravitational waves and the theory of relativity. We continue to make important discoveries today because of Isaac Newton.